Hello, Philippines, and hello, Kuwait. This is Miss Rika from ICSA Kuwait, and welcome to our UK Diploma in Health and Social Care course, kung saan ang mga students ay nagde-demo about sa pagme-measure ng random blood sugar.
Next. Hindi yan. Hindi naman yan. Next. Next. What's your Sinabi ko bang hawakan niya? Kumuha ka ng cotton, ano pagtanggal? Dugo yan, di ba? Mag-practice na yung iba, ha? Tayo dito magkakamali. Anong wawipes mo?
Eggs.
Okay.
The Lancet. Glucometer.
Okay, this one. Next. Mamaya na sa Rachel kasi dugo na lang. Next. Pero ikaw ang sunod sa kanila. Baka dumugo yung gloves. I-press mo lang yung ano. Next. Miss MJ, alis ka dyan. Sino mga number? Will be the next one. There's no name.
Can I have pen? Pen?
So, good afternoon, everyone. Now, we're going to demonstrate how to take the blood sugar. First, we're going to prepare the materials we are going to need. So, we have here a lancet. This is a glucometer device, and we have the strips, the cotton balls, and the pin, and wipes. So we're going to make the strips ready on top. So what we're going to do, we're going to sanitize our hands first. Prepare the patient. You're going to use your right hand, na? Yes. Okay. So which finger you wanna use, na? This ring finger.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll sanitize again. Put gloves. So we will wipe the hands that we're going to take the blood. We will disinfect. Okay. After, we're going to wipe again with the cotton balls, so the blood will not be contaminated with alcohol. So we'll prepare now the strips. We'll put it in the device. And we're gonna going to put the needle so 1, 2, 3.
Thanks sa upper hand. Taas.
Okay. So we will gonna going to wipe first, and we
Wiping
will
wipe. What is that?
the blood. So we will take
First or second?
we will wipe the first, and we will take the second sample, the second blood for the blood glucose. So give this
Angeline,
pressure.
nagugutom.
Kanina, sir. So, the result is 6.3 mole. And then, now we're gonna going to clean our materials. We will disinfect. Disinfect our materials. Healthcare gloves and disinfect.
Next.